Monil Doshi. I was part of the October 2017 GreyAtom cohort. I stumbled across GreyAtom through an interesting journey from data giving. So while at GreyAtom, I really enjoyed the peer-to-peer learning experience that it gave. None of the industry experts that were present were not practicing. Everyone was an expert and a superb innovator in their field. It was not about learning in the classroom, it was actually applying what we learned outside. The instructors were absolutely amazing at what they did. What I loved about the instructors was that they were very forthcoming, approachable, hands-on, and also they made sure that every student learned every concept right from the scratch. What I love about GreyAtom is its approach to a single student. It doesn't really believe in the mass education that probably can provide. There's only so much, or there are only a few limitations that probably an online course can give you. GreyAtom actually blends everything that we wanted to learn in a real-time classroom, but with an industry perspective, and that's the beauty about it. In fact, at every single stage of my development throughout GreyAtom, Career Services was constantly on the move to actually monitor progress, give me relevant inputs in collaboration with the industry experts. In fact, the mock interviews were a very, very great platform for students to actually understand what is required in the industry and what the industry experts require from an aspiring data scientist. And GreyAtom did a great job with that. There are two things that differentiate GreyAtom from another learning platform. I would like to put it at that. Number one is that it's very focused on every single student. You will never be ignored, or your attention will never be diluted. They're excellent cohorts in which that you are kind of learning with peers who are industry experts but in different fields, but they are absolutely applying data science now, and they look to apply data science. So what happens with that is when you're looking at different problems that data can solve, it really inspires you to be a data scientist because of the various applications that it can provide, and it broadens your mind and improves your lateral thinking from a different perspective. Learn equal to do real work.